What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Also, look at my hair. Today we got a fun one. Today we got a modification. Today we got a race. And it's an Aing video. You never know what you're gonna get. We're gonna be racing the Toyota Tacoma versus a very, very special guest. But first, a modification. So a company reached out there like, Aing, we like your videos, we like your reviews. Would you do this for us? Now, it comes in this little baggie. Sandy calls it clutter. I call it function. I need a screwdriver for this modification, so that's a good sign. We're doing work. So screwdriver in little baggie. Take a guess. Now take a guess at what this modification is. I wasn't against this modification, but now that I have it, I'm for it. Luckily, as I was about to buy one from Miso Customs, a company reached out and was like, hey Aing, we have some of these, are you interested? Yes, I am. Now, it's a gas cap mod. Look, what I'm talking about is I take this off and I stretch it out and I put it there. Now, the problem with that is you're stretching out a cable that's not, meant to be being stretched out. So let's put that back up before something goes in there. It comes in a little package like this. It will be linked in the description down below. I do earn a little bit of a commission if you purchase it, which is always much appreciated. Thank you. Comes with the user guide, but you don't really need this since you have this video. Oh God, it's getting worse. Oh my, okay. All right, easy enough. I like this a lot because it has these little grooves. These little attention to details is what made me go over the other guys. It's nice, it's simple, it's black. You don't have to worry about it standing out. So let's install this and see how it actually works. So first you're gonna wanna unscrew this screwdriver. Get that bad boy off of there. Alrighty. Bada boom, bada bing. You're gonna wanna leave this part in there. You don't need to remove it. Then you put this like this, and then you screw it back on. If you're doing this one-handed, just fish it on through there. Screw it in a little bit just to start catching the thread. And let's go ahead and tighten this bad boy up. I think that's perfect. We'll see. We can always change it if we need to. Check this out. You take it off, you put it here, and now it's on there. If you just put it there, that works, but this kind of like secures it, like locks it into place. That way, it doesn't jiggle off. You pump your gas and you're good to go. Pretty cool, pretty simple. I don't know, I really like it. Thank you to the company that reached out, sent this out. I appreciate you guys. The company name is right there, so check it out. It's gonna be linked down below. Use it. I appreciate you guys very, very much. All right, now, if you're here for the race, well, you're probably wondering, Aing, what are you racing it against? What is this race that you're talking about? We're racing it against a Ford. Yeah. Okay, so this video was supposed to be just a modification video, right? That little mod, a company sent it out and I was like, okay, whatever, I'll do it. But yesterday I was at Walmart. Walmart's having like these Black Friday deals and we were shopping around and I see this RC car, not this one, but it was like $15. So I was like, let me see. And then I went to the toy section. This one was $30. This is all that in a bag of chips in the Walmart section. This one is 4-wheel drive. That's all I know. The reason I'm making this video where I'm racing the truck against it, it's kind of a bet. Me and Sandy were outside in the parking lot. We were at Walmart at like 10:30. We didn't leave until like 11 o'clock, racing this thing everywhere. Now, there's a lot of stuff this little thing can do. Don't be fooled. And this, for me, is more than enough off-roading. I don't know why I spent $40,000 on a quicksand, lifted it, did all this other stuff, when this, for me at least, is just as much fun. Unless you're like a camping type of dude, I mean, then maybe build up the rig. But anyways, this thing is awesome. Jeez, buddy, I'm really trying to set you up and you're failing me here. This thing is awesome. Oh, it was almost up. That is sick. And then I kind of challenged Sandy. I was like, this thing is faster than the Tacoma. Now, in a straight line, for a very short amount of time, I think this is faster. I don't know, guys. I really dug myself deep into this, and Sandy really wants to see which one's faster, so I'm hoping this one is, but I don't think it is. This is what I live for, the need for speed in RC cars and a truck. Okay, we're gonna put this bad boy right here. Alrighty, it's a little bit forward, right? We gotta leave a little bit forward. Okay, so you have to make it over here. Okay, this one. On your mark, get set, go. No! No! Two parking spaces.
How hard do you want me to hit the gas?
I don't care. I'm hitting it as hard as I can. All right, hold on. Can you try it a little bit harder, please? Okay. All right, ready, set, go. All right, ready, set, go. No, where are you going? I turned. Okay, last one. Last one. I got nervous. All right, this one's gonna be good. This is all the marbles. Ready, set, go. No. Yeah, Sandy won. All right, whatever. Dang it.
Gas, I just wasted.
Don't crash into the pole. Alrighty, man. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. I had fun with the RC car racing the Tacoma, at least the Tacoma one, right? Although I lost, the Tacoma won. So we're grateful for that. Check out the mod. It's linked down below in the description. Of course, I do earn a little bit of a commission. I appreciate you if you do buy it. It's super cheap. Check it out. Nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace. Also, I apologize about the hair situation, guys. Look, if you're here for the Tacoma, well then I apologize for this brief interruption. But if you're here for the hair, how you doing?